Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Excellence in the Field.
When you onboard a platform like Showpad, it's always good to network with other users so that you can start to establish whether you're actually operating in the right way, share best practice, learn from your peers in other organisations or like-minded organisations, and hopefully take things away that you can implement back in the business that you work for.
One of the AI features in Showpad that I'm really excited about is something that one of my peers was talking about, and it's within Salesforce, and it's recommending Showpad content for different opportunities. So a salesperson can go in, look at that opportunity, and it will say, this is the kind of content that would be really great to send to your customer.
Today at Excellence in the Field, one of my biggest takeaways was how we can influence AI. Leaving it in its sort of basic state, giving general information back, is not going to be as useful as if we feed our specific data in.
We have a really good case study in our US business, which is the majority of our business, where this year our top 3 sales performers were also our top 3 most engaged Showpad users. That is a real success story for us.
It's not about being future-proof, right? It's about being future-ready. So it's a new way of thinking about AI, how it can build efficiency, in both internal and external use cases. So how it can automate workflows, and also reflecting a lot about how it applies to our use case at Vestas. And I will bring this, back to Copenhagen.